Welcome to HeatSign. In this quick tutorial, we show you how to mark logos on plastic parts using our dual laser marking machine. Step 1. Release the emergency stop switch and turn on the machine. Step 2. Insert the USB drive and import your logo into the software. Step 3. Set the fill mode for the marking area and adjust the logo size as needed. Step 4. Adjust laser parameters such as power, speed, and frequency according to the material properties. Step 5. Place the plastic workpiece on the workbench, then click the marking button to start. Done. In just seconds, you have a clear permanent mark. Need a custom marking solution. HeatSign. Professional marking made easy.